We are going to go through the Stormbreaker Lunge. Now, quite simply, we want to start with a upward thumb choked grip, so we need a little bit of ground clearance as we swoop beside us. So an upward thumb choke grip. Starting with the mace out, with the elbows locked out, arms straight. We draw the mace in towards the lead elbow and twist behind us and arch it out to the rear. Let the mace swoop down past the leg and come out to that vertical position again. And the opposite leg steps backwards into a lunge. Now it's important here to keep the arms out straight. What a lot of people do is they start to retract, keep the arms out straight, and then we can stand up and optionally either go again or do a hot potato switch and go on the other side and just keep going for as many reps as we want to do.